right, so here we are, same day. What, 3 o'clock? Mm-hmm. So it's been about 6 hours since the Raptor. We had it in direct sunlight, and there is dry to the touch. So we're gonna base coat these. I have some leftover of the paint from the car. It's already mixed. It was mixed already, so just pour it in a gun and go. I think we'll give it 2 coats, maybe 3, and maybe 2 coats of clear. 1 is enough, but we'll see. You ever painted anything before?
Oh, yeah, man. When I was about 10 years old, we did model cars.
Model cars, okay. Well, okay, same concept. All right, so we'll bring you guys back once we get these things base coat. All right, so here we are. We got 2 coats of the Lowriders base, and man, it's really impressive that 2 coats of yellow covered black in 2 coats. That's noteworthy for sure. You know, is it covered 100%? You know, probably not. Probably about 95. A 3rd coat would have been 100%, but they were wheel wells. I'm not sure it's worth wasting paint for that. But they look great. So these were sandblasted and powder coated first, and then we're just Scotch-Brite red pad straight to base coat, no sealer. And like I said, they're wheel wells. They're probably gonna, the undersides are more protected than the top. But so we let these things flash off for about half an hour. Come back and we'll spray 2 coats of clear. What you think, dude?
Look good.
Yeah.
Look good to me.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's the whole point. That's your car.
Yeah. But I mean, just painting them was a little nerve-wracking, but I think I can get used to it.
It's just paint.
Yeah.
If something were to mess up, all you gotta do is sand it and redo it.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll bring you back in 30 minutes.
All right, guys, we're back.
Yep. So we're going to be spraying Universal, SPI Universal. Probably overkill for this project, but that's what we got. That's only 4. 8 and 8. Oh, you can mix it all up at one time. Yeah. So we're going to do 2 coats on this stuff, just because. So it mixes 1-to-1, 8 ounces clear, 8 ounces slow activator. It's 86 degrees in here right now. One of them is already open.
Where's it at?
I really can't get over how this yellow covered that black in 2 coats. That ain't no shop line, that's for sure.
So you're saying spend a little extra and get your good base?
Absolutely. And the Lessenol, you know, it's not break the bank like PPG Deltron. I think it's affordable. I mean, you said the pint was how much?
$60.
$60 for a pint with no reducer. It does mix 2-to-1, so you have to spend a little more paint with that, but I would use that over shop line any day of the week. And I mean, I'm gonna paint my car with Lessenol. I'm not gonna buy Deltron. Deltron priced me out. Can't afford it. Oh, what's up with this cup? It's like this cup. So we're hacking away in the backyard. He's spraying the clear today.
Eli?
He has no idea what he's doing, but we're gonna figure it out. No, he's good. This is easy. I'm gonna move him a little bit.
Eli was born into lowrider royalty, man, so he knows all about this.
Yeah. Give him a little walking around. So I'm thinking about I'm not gonna stand in here while it clears. You can stand if you want. The best area is that corner.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear my mask and then.
Yeah, the best area is right there in that corner.
You want me to record or no?
Yeah, you can. 2.5 turns on the fluid. I will go about 30 psi, not 35. And getting it done.
All right, we'll be back.
All right, so here we are, 2 coats of the Universal Clear later, and it's pretty good results. So this was the first time spraying base coat for the owner of the car, and then my son went ahead and cleared it. Universal's a little tricky to spray, but I think he did a pretty good job. So we're just going to let these sit for about a week, and then put them on the fenders, buff the fenders, put the trim on. No, buff the fenders first, then put the trim, then put these wheel wells on, then put the fenders on the car as one unit. So like I say, underneath, you guys saw in the video, underneath is Raptor yellow, top sides are base coat, clear coat. I think that's the best. Was the best route to go. We're debating on black or yellow, and I think he chose the right way. So hope you guys enjoyed this little segment here. See you guys back once we get some more work in.